Hawks, Hawks.
Hello guys, it's the Morons Hex, and today I just bought this beauty e46 323 petrol CI model, coupe model, and it's pre-facelift and it's from 99 year. And look at her, it's in gorgeous blue color. Just have called the guys who bring the car, and they have bring with a truck the car here. And I'm starting to review the outside, what damage does the car has, because I saw it only on pictures. And now let's review and let's see what I have to fix. We'll go inside the car. The first impression is that the key is not an original. It's in some very nasty box, I think, but here it's written E46. So E46 with 170 horsepower. So guys, let's start with the outside condition of the car. First thing that I saw is really small, but it has broken here. Next thing, this damage here. I have to repair, to paint it. Okay. Next thing, here is not in ideal position. Maybe the car has some front collisions. Okay, let's continue with the state of the car. Has some it needs some polishing here on the headlights, the other one too. It has some missing plastics here, so I have to fix this too. The BMW badge is still here. That's not rust, is just dirty. Okay, let's see underneath. What do we have here? It's a surprise for me. Well, we don't have the plastic cover underneath the car, so I should buy one. It looks pretty clean. Just a little bit of oil there. I'll have to check this too. No any damages here. We have this cap, still got no license plate. However, it looks good. This cover always look good, no matter that it has some damage, it's still nice. So here some damage on the fender. I have to think of, it's not a big deal, but here some scratches. And here we are missing some collision here on this part. We are missing this white. I have to buy it. Okay, here I have to fix it. This is first thing that I will fix, maybe, because it's very ugly. This one too, very ugly. Have to be painted in another color. Okay, the driver's door. It looks pretty nice, no any problems here. Rear fender okay, no any rust. Often there is rust here in E46 coupes. Bad tires, I have to buy tires. Still some parts left. Let's see underneath. Do I have rust? No, it looks clean. That's good. The car is from Milano, but it was born for German market, so it has been many years on sun. You can see here that's damage on the rubber because of the sun. I have to fix this, very ugly too. And often there is here damage on the rubber too, but in our case here it's okay. Thankfully, maybe they have changed the front window, I don't know. Okay, let's see from the back what do we have here. A good headlight, No any problems on this one. Missing badge, oh no. BMW cars shouldn't have missing badges, so I have to change it really fast. It's not good for BMW to not have the badge. Okay, we have a rear exhaust, Honda type exhaust, which is really big. It's chain with chain. You can see how it's modified. You can see inside if we have some little bit of dirt, so maybe it's not an oil burner, but we'll see that in the next episodes when I start driving it. It has a PDC, park-tronic sensors, which is really nice for 3rd series. Oh, I see a problem here. You can see here that this tail light is good, in good shape overall, but it has been somehow not in the right place. Maybe something is wrong here. I can put my hand here inside the trunk, otherwise the trunk is okay. You see the lines here, rear window is okay. Let's see this side of the car. Here we have some starting rust from some damage maybe, so I have to fix that. I should fix it this in order to avoid any future rust. And this door, again the same problem with the rubber here, and the roof is just okay. We have electric sunroof, and let's see the side mirror here, it's okay. This is not very well positioned. I have to fix it. Otherwise, let's see what's the state here. Again, no rust. So, good car. No rust. Because the rust is something you can hardly escape from. So always be careful when buying a car for not having the rust. Okay guys, so now let's go inside the car and see what do we have inside in the interior, to see what have I bought and what does it look like inside, what we will find under the hood and in the trunk. Okay, let's open it with maybe this button. Yeah, it opened. No, it closed. Oh yeah, it opened with this one. I can barely see anything here. Okay, let's open it. And you see the window immediately went a little bit down because that's a coupe. So we have a really standard saloon, but we except for this, we have electric seats, which is great with memories. We have these rubbers in good shape, which is rare for BMW. Maybe they are changed. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see the back. Overall good quality, but we have problems here. We have to change them. You can see this ugly for a coupe car. We can see the roof, a little bit dirty. Oh, we are missing this one here. There should be a white cover, like the rest of the roof, but there isn't at the moment. We should find these two. So many little things missing. Actually, we have this ugly blue white, and this ugly thing someone has painted it, and it looks really bad. I don't like it. Let's see what we have here. Window, and the white is not working, of course, maybe. Let's see, we have radio, ASC, because this is a pre-facelift. We have a nice gear knob with really stiff. Good. That's good. Okay, the buttons here. The other seat is just okay. Okay, overall the interior is not bad. Let's try to start the car and see what will happen. I don't have much fuel, I think. Okay. Oh, beautiful voice of the third series starting. I very much like this one here. It's very sexy. Okay, the wheel is good. Doesn't have any noises, chunking noises. We can see here that there is some problem with the ASC maybe, and the ABS is not working too. We have to check that in the service. Also there it says the trunk is open. Let's try to close it. Oh, let's rev the baby first. Oh, beautiful and smooth. It says 160,000 kilometers, which is really great actually, if this is true. Let's see if the radio works. No, it isn't working. Well, we have to input here some other radio, because this one is not working at all. Well, it's an old car after all. This one is working. We have a coil mod here. I think this one is working because the engine makes some noise. This one working. Oh, let's see if we have some power. We have. Okay, we can see that this was not working at all. Okay, let's go and see why the trunk is still open. Okay, let's see what we have as a gift in the trunk. We have some new things for the doors, some interior here parts. They have no such problem here, so we will put them and we will have fixed this easy. We have a battery, but we are missing here this part of the interior of the trunk. We have some interesting thing here to fold the seats, and maybe here is not working the sensor for close. Oh, let's see what happened here. You see there is a lot of silicone and other shit. Maybe this one is broken and that's why they put this shit. You can see there is no such problem here, and this is just fine, this one here, but this one is broken, and this ruins the car. If you look at the back, the design is ruined completely because of this. Let's listen to this knocking voice. Very bad for the rear bumper here, you can see. Okay, let's try to close. Overall it's clean. After all it's clean. Okay, I think I close it. Let's see if the white is still... No, it's okay now, so that's good sign. We don't have any petrol, you can see, any. Okay, let's start again the car. Beautiful engine, starting very nice and smooth. Beautiful dashboard, no any problems here. We have the rear view. Let's see if this works. I'm very curious. No. Oh, on that position it works actually. Let's see. Oh, it works actually. You see, it works. It works. It works. Yeah, it works. But I have to find a spare part here. Oh no! Come on! Come on, please, close. No, please close. It doesn't want to close, so I have to fix it. Let's see how. Okay, I closed it somehow using just little clicks on the button. because otherwise it returned back. Maybe something is preventing it from closing completely. Wow, this was an unexpected problem. Let's see how are the gears. Well, they're good. We have good shifter here, no any noises for now. Okay, let's see the engine. How does it work? Handbrake is holding the car. That's good too, because often BMWs doesn't have working. Let's open the hood. Well, the hood is opened, except with this problem which really annoys me. It looks clean. It's missing here the isolation, but the engine is so nice, so delightful. When you see a straight 6 under the bonnet, your heart really goes happy. It's really clean here. They have washed it maybe. Really nice looking engine. It's an electronic pedal, so I cannot. Oh. Okay. Let's see the hoses. Okay. Check the coolant level. We have a sport air filter already installed, but I think we should modify it to be somewhere here, because here is a little bit hotter from the engine, and we can gain some HP by putting it here. Okay, the engine works very nice, very smooth, so I hope it's fine. I hope very much. Other things to look is rust here, but in our case we don't have. That's good too. And the trunk closes really nice. Okay, so overall we have here to oil it a little bit. Let's see if this works too. The control of the mirrors work. Let's see the other mirror. Not every time. Let's try the other one too. Oh, the other one started working too. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Tomorrow I'll go to register it, to put some license places. Now I'll go to put some petrol, because it really is using nothing at all at the moment, and it will stop working every moment. So I will not continue to playing hazard, and I will turn it off. We have a wheel, but I should change it. This is not my favorite, because we don't have here, and this one is ugly too. Well, it looks as if the car is in good state. I hope the engine, transmission, no any problems there, and the running gear. If it's only due to cosmetical damage, they are not so hard to fix, and you don't need to fix them immediately, so I'll have time doing this. I can't wait to register it, to put the license plate, and to step on it to see how 170 horsepower 2.5 liter M52 B25 coupe, that's double vanus engine, how does it accelerate, how does it pulse, and does it drift actually, how does it drift. This is a third series, it has to be really emotional car. So I really can't wait to register it and to actually drive it with you, to make some POV driving review videos of the car. And that's for now. That was the state of my car. I bought it only on photos. The guy says ideal condition, but as always, these guys which sells car are dirty wires, and we have some things to fix. But I hope it has a really good core, and it's worth it fixing this car. So thank you guys for watching. Watch our other driving, drifting and stupid talk videos. Subscribe for more, and always remember BMW are the best cars. Bye for now.